Marky Monday has a great show. Marky Monday, this is my show. It's called Marky Mondays. Marky Monday has a great show. It's Marky Monday, Marky Monday. Welcome to the show. Now here we go. Marky Monday. Marky Monday. Marky Monday. Marky Monday.
Welcome to the Marky Monday show. Bam, bam, bam. Today, we have an imposter. An imposter? What could that be? I don't know. We have to find out. And also make sure you stay tuned to the end of the episode. Stay all the way, watch the whole show, because at the end of the show, you will have a chance to win a prize. Ooh, what could it be? I don't know. So many things we don't know until we watch the show. So here we go.
Giant banana. Giant banana. Giant banana. Giant banana. Giant banana.
Margarita, what are you doing here?
Hi, Marky. Today I am here because... What do you mean? What do you mean, why am I here? I am the one who knows all the words.
I thought Giant Banana knew all the words. And I thought that you were the dancing person.
Not today. I am going to show you a word.
Okay, what word is that?
Well, the word for today is imposter. Imposter.
Imposter? What does that mean?
Well, Marky, an imposter is someone who pretends to be someone else.
No!
Yes.
So are you saying, Margarita, that you're an imposter?
Yes, I am pretending to be the giant banana.
Oh, I see, you're an imposter.
That's right. Me. I am the imposter. Margarita.
Marky plays drums. It's time for the beat of the week. And there's been imposters all over the place on this episode. So we should make it easy, just in case someone else is going to do the beat of the week. So we're just going to clap on the beat, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it with Marky. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's do it to some music. Here we go.
Today, Redonkulous is here to go on the beat. We are going to do this together. I hope that I can do a good job. We shall see. I don't know if I can quite dance. I can do math. Here we go. Oh, that's a little... Okay, here we go. 1, 2... No. Okay, try again. 1, 2, 3. Oh boy. Okay, I can do this. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ay.
Marky plays guitar.
here? This is Redonkulous's place.
Well, I don't know what I'm doing here. I guess, well, I'm gonna solve a math problem. That's what I'm doing here.
Okay, well, Giant Banana, what is the math problem for today?
Let's see. Okay, here we go. The math problem is 14 plus 4. What's 14 plus 4? Oh, 14's a big number. Oh no. 14 and 4. Oh, this is tough. I can.
Giant Banana, are you an imposter? You are impostering here. You are impostering.
Impostering's not a word, Marky. It's just imposter. But, okay, maybe I know words, but I don't know if I quite know math problems. I think we need Redonkulous here.
Well, 14 and 4. So what's 4 plus 4, Giant Banana?
4 plus 4? 4 plus 4, 4 and 4, that's 8. 4 plus 4 is 8.
Good. And now add the 1, the 10. So 14 plus 4.
Oh, I think I got it. Would that be 18?
That's right, Giant Banana.
Yay, 18! That's the answer.
Marky plays piano.
There's only one person Marky Monday knows, one turtle Marky Monday knows that is no imposter, that is exactly who he deserves to be, is exactly who he sets out to be, such a great role model, a great example. He's a celebrity turtle. His name is Ernie Palsoni, and here is his theme song. Enjoy.
Ernie Palsoni, celebrity turtle. Ernie Palsoni, turtle personality. He's the world's most famous turtle. More famous than the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. More famous than the Eiffel Tower. So famous, he's the man of the hour. He's Ernie Palsoni, celebrity turtle. Ernie Palsoni, turtle personality. He's the turtle that everyone knows. He gives autographs wherever he goes. Uses $100 bills to blow his nose. He's a celebrity, that's how he rolls. He's Ernie Palsoni, celebrity turtle. Ernie Palsoni, turtle personality. He's a turtle that's seen it all. He's a turtle that's on the ball. He's the sharpest tool in the shed. He's talented and well-read. He's Ernie Palsoni, celebrity turtle. Ernie Palsoni, turtle personality. Turtle personality. Turtle personality.
Well, we're coming to the end of the episode, and as promised, a prize. A song delivered right to you, a brand new song you've never heard before from Marky Monday that will be released in September of 2019. But you get a sneak peek if you comment below. The first 5 people to comment below will be able to win a song, a brand new song right to their email address if in the comments below you write the name of the celebrity turtle. What is the name of the celebrity turtle? Put that in the comment below along with your email address, and Marky Monday will send you a brand new song. I'm so excited for next week's show because next week, it's Marky Monday's birthday. Oh, special birthday show. Can't wait. Woohoo! Okay. Marky Monday's birthday next week. So, until next time, hasta Luigi!
Marky Monday has a great show. Marky Monday, this is my show. It's called Marky Mondays. Marky Monday has a great show. It's Marky Monday. Welcome to the show. Now here we go. Marky Monday.